Good morning, guys. It's 9 a.m. on Friday. We just opened the shop. We have a lot to do today. We'll be installing a lift kit on a Toyota Rav-4, but first we have to move these cars out of the way to get the Rav-4 in the lift. Alright, so these are the tires that we have for the Rav-4. These are the BFGs, and right now we're shipping them to get them mounted at a different shop while we work on our tire machine. And speaking of the wheels that we're gonna be mounting, these are the 1552 Traverse, and they're gonna look absolutely sick on those tires. We have to move those cars out. The ramp doesn't work, we have to push it out, and this works, so that's good. Alright, Lexus on the ground, so we're gonna drive it out and pull the Rav-4 in and start with that Eibach lift. Exciting. Clean your work area, you gotta work clean, get all the dust from the Lexus out, and pull the Rav-4 in so you can clean workspace. Alright, so this is the Eibach lift. Well, it's not like really a full-blown lift, it's just springs for the front and back I'll be replacing, and it should get us some lift to fit larger tires. Let's get it cracked open and see what we got inside.
It's down white, boy.
Alright, so in that kit you will have front and rear springs. So this will be your rear springs right here, and then the front springs. So this will just replace your just stock springs on the car, and that should give us some nice lift to fit bigger tires. So on the Rav-4, Maciek is gonna start with taking off the wheels. He's got that badass Milwaukee impact over there. Never let us down. Yeah, the best.
It sound right, boy.
Quick peek for the gram, and we are back in business. There is a before the installation, how it looks like. Pretty standard, nothing crazy going on. Check out those bypasses over there. So what are we doing, Maciek? Taking the sway bar off, and we took off this little bracket. I need to get this bolt out so we can drop this arm and get the springs out and replace them with the new Eibach stuff. Hell yeah! We had to pull the Lexus in because outside is pretty nasty, and we have some better stuff here and we don't want it to rust. And also check out those BFGs with the 1552 wheels that are going on a Rav-4. So we got the factory springs out. As you can see, they look pretty beat up. And here is the new spring. There's side comparison.
A little bit taller.
Yeah, this one's a little bit taller. So let's put the bad boy in there and let's see what happens.
Yeah, one spring is in. Now we're gonna just do the other side and then start on the front. The front should probably be easier, maybe. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Impact go brut. Other one. Put it in. We'll go like this. Where is it? Pop the hood. Oh, there, no struts.
Hole 2.0 or whatever that is. Got it?
Now we have to unbolt the struts for the top, right here, and they should pop out. Nice and good.
While he's undoing the front struts, I'll show you guys something pretty cool we've been working on. And this is the rear bumper, a high clearance rear bumper for a GX platform. Pretty sweet if you ask me. It has integrated recovery points, spots for Baja Design S2 lights for the backup. The whole center section is sheet metal, but the sides are tube. By the time this video is out, this is gonna be available on our website, so make sure to check it out. Here's another view of the rear bumper from a little further behind. Very, very high clearance. Very nice.
Let's go to the strut tamer and tam out those struts. Alright, so we got the spring on the factory strut. You can see now we just need to slap it on and bolt it up and get to the other side. Then we can mount the wheels. It's gonna look sick.
Getting everything buttoned up on the suspension. What are you doing, Magic?
Yeah, now just closing the hood, and we need to get the other half of the suspension torqued down, and we'll be ready to put the tires on, get the alignment, and then we can do some other cool stuff.
I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of how the tires and wheels are gonna look like. So these are the 50 and 52 in I believe it's a magnetic gray, and then we have a BFGoodrich tires. Those are 245, 65, 17. I feel like they're gonna be perfect for this car. Everything is torqued down, and now Maciek is marking the bolts and nuts, making it ready. What you got there, Maciek?
Revlock, marking compound.
Very nice.
Very good stuff. Very good stuff. Everything is good and tight. Now we're just gonna put the wheels on. We already have the back wheels on, and I'm gonna show you something cool.
Sound white, boy.
Make sure those are torqued.
Yeah, those are torqued. Yeah, now I'm gonna show something cool because we didn't tell you guys, but this is actually a Faster Flate Toyota Rav-4. If you don't know who Faster Flate is, those are the guys that make the best tire inflation and deflation system, like for your all 4 tires at once. So, and these are like super cool. They make these right here, and these are basically a valve stems, like valve stem caps, but they have this hoop right here, so you don't lose your valve stem when you're airing down or airing up. So you just put it like this on your valve stem and push it down there, and then you just screw it on like this, and it looks super nice, and you're never gonna lose them. Approved.
The Lexus looks a little naked without the front bumper, but that's okay. We got something new coming. Peep that rear bumper over there. High clearance, baby.
It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.
Alright guys, so we finished with the Rav-4. It's off to the alignment, and then once it come back, we're gonna give back to the customer. And since it's 5 p.m. On Friday, we're just gonna call it a day and do some cleanup. And if you want to see more videos like day in the shop videos, then let us know in the comments.
What you got there?
I'm using a tea, green tea, drink of champions.